Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today video, viewers, amazing and childhood, the art of everyday things. Who say art need offenses to some things? The most beautiful creating comes from the simplest things around us. A handful of pasta, a spark of rice, a few beans, and steadily imagine take flight. What look like a running kitchen and a garden turning into a puppy full of joy, a flower glowing with colors, or even a clock that tells story instead of time. Every piece is best placed with love. Every shift adds life to your art. It's not about perfection, it's about seeing beauty in every day and turning simplest viewers and friends. Material into something truly magical, because creative about what you have, it's about what you see. From kitchen convenience, imagine turning your kitchen into an art studio. Pasta, beans, rice, simple things, yet in your hands they become masterpiece. Friends and viewers, a dog made of pasta smile back at you. A flower from green and a clock made of brighten your space with colors, each shapes, each texture, each tiny details woven together by fantasy, imagine, and heart. This is the beauty of crafts, viewers. So I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos.